Kitopi is a startup originating from Dubai. We manage around 200 kitchens where we cook and deliver food for our brands.
We are a food company, basically. This is the core of our business. In Krakow, we are heading to 100 employees.
The Kitopi hub is our main technological hub. So we have 11 product squads here. It's a mix of engineers and product people. Kitopi got several rounds of funding. That made us a unicorn status. We needed to catch up with the business growth. That meant like rapid recruitment.
It's not a secret that it's really difficult to find the best top tech talent.
Building a recruitment team just for the spike wasn't efficient, right? So that's why we reached out to MOTIFE to help us out.
We decided to cooperate with MOTIFE because we wanted to make the process really speedy. As with anything, we needed that human touch and human factor. This can be done because of the RPO model, when we get a dedicated recruiter to work alongside our internal team.
In RPO, the recruiter, they act as your employees. At the end of the day, they actually embed into the culture.
The recruiter in this model gets a total autonomy and independence. Because MOTIFE runs the process end to end, our mutual work is intertwined. We basically can free up some of our precious time. This is a really win-win situation for both sides. Within the last 18 months, we managed to recruit a huge team.
I'm glad with what we achieved. We have a well-established hub here in Krakow. You know, people enjoy working for Kitopi. We have like very small attrition rate. At the same time, you know, our HR could focus more on the activities like employer branding.
What I'm most proud of, apart from recruiting all the technical talent, we managed to create fantastic culture.
I really enjoy working with MOTIFE. We got the results very quick.
For us, we will just continue because we were so amazed by the cooperation.
Working with MOTIFE, it's close to like a friendship. We share the common goals, you know, our success, their success. I really enjoy them going very deep into understanding our needs. So I can highly recommend MOTIFE as a partner.